It's not the market, it's not the economy, it's not even the lack of money. The great mistake in your investing journey is you. And unless you fix this, you'll keep spinning in circles. Let's talk about the one mindset that's silently killing your future wealth. You save. You try to budget. You may even invest a little when things look good, but nothing changes. Why? Because the biggest mistake most people make isn't bad luck. It's how they think about money. It's short-term fear in a long-term game. The market dips, you panic, it rises, you FOMO in. You want quick wins, but real investing isn't exciting, it's boring, it's slow, and it's built on patience, not perfection. Most millionaires didn't get lucky. They played the long game, month after month, year after year, quietly. You chase what's hot, you think you'll buy low and sell high, but you never do. You save money in a bank account and call it a plan. And when it comes to real investing, you freeze, scared, unsure, waiting for the perfect moment. The best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is today. But what if you shifted that mindset? What if you committed to the boring, consistent path? What if you trusted the process? Invest $100 a month. Don't touch it. Let it grow. Understand the power of compound interest. 10 years later, you'll be shocked at what you've built. The great mistake is thinking like everyone else, but now that you see it, you can choose better, choose patience, choose growth, and most of all, choose to start now.